Hello everyone. Now, let us see our new chapter. Okay, so in this particular chapter, we will be starting with XREF, that is external reference. Now, what is the meaning of this external reference? Let us try to explore that. But before starting the external reference, let me explain. Let me do some few things. See, let me draw a rectangle here. Let me draw a circle here. Let me draw a polygon. Let me create some layers of different colors. Suppose this is red in color. Color will be red. Okay. Blue. Rest of the thing I am keeping it as same. Again, new layer. Suppose pink. Go to the color. Select pink color. Yellow. And green. So we have different set of layers. Okay. So this rectangle is created with 0 layer. Let me change the layer. Suppose blue in color. Let me create a circle. Now let me change the layer from here, green color, and go to polygon, POL. Number of sides, let us take 5. So it's a heptagon. Put the ortho on. Yes, pentagon. Okay, this is pentagon because number of side is 5. Regular pentagon. Now change the layer again. Go to polygon. Number of sides 6. Center of polygon. This is the center inscribed in circle. Okay. Red color. Go to polygon again. This time 7. This is an heptagon. Okay, nice. Now create a spline using this yellow. Put the ortho of. Okay. Now any other is remaining? Nothing. So let us create with pink color. Go to PL, enter. Select this. Put the ortho on. Okay, I am using Polyline. Then go to half width. Starting half width, give it as 2. End half width, give it as 5. So again come to half width, put it 0. One second. Half width, starting half width is 0, ending half width is also 0. Then it will be fine. Okay, go to width. Okay, put it 10, starting half width, and then 0, like this. So this is I have created with Polyline. So how many objects we have? Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As of now, this drawing, let's say this particular drawing, I need to show to my client. And this drawing, just assume that this drawing is so heavy, is very heavy that it is very much hanging. Understood? Understand it very carefully. Means we are not able to edit. So suppose you want to edit the circle, you want to change the radius, or you want to change the center. So it becomes very difficult to change the center or to change the position or to change the dimension. Anything if you want to do, it will be very difficult. Sometimes it happens. However, in this drawing, it will not happen. Okay, but a situation occurs where your drawing file becomes very heavy. There are lots of different elements are there which are present in this particular drawing. Okay, so in that case we have to take the help of external reference. How do we do that? Let us suppose this drawing is very heavy. I am not able to edit anything here. Okay, I am not able to edit anything. It is very heavy. Just assume it. So what you have to do? Let me explain. First, save this file. Save this file. I will create, let us create a new folder. Okay, X ref AutoCAD. Okay, yes, I have created a folder. Okay, let me save this as main drawing. Save it. I have saved this. I have saved this. Now, what I am going to do, I will delete all the things, all the stuffs, and only this rectangle will be remaining. So go to save as from here or from here. Go to save as. Press here. You can save it by REC, rectangle. Okay, save it. So a new file has been created named is save as. Now go to open again, go to open this main drawing. Okay, now rectangle is done. Now I will use this P line. Delete all the things. Now I will go to again save as. I will go to save as. Now I will use Polyline. The name of this file will be Polyline. Okay. Now open the main drawing again. Polyline is done. So delete that, delete this, delete rest of the things. Now it's time for circle. So go to save as and blue circle. Blue circle. Okay, blue circle. Again, open it. Open the main drawing. So delete these things. This is already done. Delete this thing. Now it's a green pentagon. So go to save as. Don't do any mistake. If you press on save, then your main drawing will be gone. So that's why I am doing save as. Okay, it's a green pentagon. Okay, green pentagon. Okay, yes. Now again go to open. Go to main drawing. Exactly. This is done. This is done. Now it's a pink hexagon. Delete it. Save as. Pink hexagon. Now go to open again. Main drawing. Red heptagon. Okay. Now open it. Go to main drawing. Spline. Yellow spline. So this is done. Okay. Now open, go to new file. You can start a new drawing from here as well. Okay. Now set all the things like limits, grids, grid, zoom on. Okay. Now, as I said, your main drawing was very heavy. So due to that heaviness, you won't be able to do any edit work. Now go to XREF, external reference, external reference. The shortcut key for external reference is XREF. So go to XREF, enter. Go to XREF, enter. Now from here, you can attach drawing. You can attach drawing. You can attach any image if you want to. You can attach any PDF. There are lots of things. So as of now, I'm attaching DWG file. DWG means your AutoCAD file. So go to attach DWG. Go to circle. Not this one. Yes, this one. XREF AutoCAD. This was my main file. XREF AutoCAD. Now from here you can select blue circle. Go to blue circle, open it. Once you open it, this dialog box will come. Make sure you select overlay from here. Okay. Let the scale remain 111. Suppose if you want to change any scale along X direction, if you do it 2, then along X direction, the shape of the circle will scaled along X direction. So like that you can change the scale. As of now, I don't want to change any scale. I want to keep it like that only. Okay, so no need to do anything here. Again, we have insertion scale. If you press specify on screen, then you have to select your base point where you want to place this particular circle. Okay, where you want to place your circle, then you have to specify on the screen where you want to place it. But I don't want that. I want only that position which was there in the real drawing. I want the position of that blue circle in that position only where it was in the main drawing. Okay, so uncheck it, insertion point. It should be relative path only. Okay, you can rotate it. If you change the angle, if you put the angle by like 45 degree, then your object will be rotated by 45 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. So don't do anything. I want same thing. Okay, your unit, it's in millimeter, you can change it as well. Okay, but I want in millimeters only. Yes, and press OK. See, that thing will come. Can you see that? Yes, blue circle will come. Now attach other things as well. Go to attach DWG. Now it's time for green pentagon. Open it. Okay, it should be overlay. See green pentagon, all the thing will remain same. Okay. See, the position is same only. The position of this green pentagon is same only as that of main drawing with respect to origin. You can see that. See, the circle was here only. I drew the circle here only. And if you remember, spline was somewhere here and your polyline, pink color polyline was somewhere here. Let us see that. Go to attach DWG and uh, don't insert main drawing here. Okay. Yes. Go to pink hexagon. Open it. Okay. See, hexagon was here only. Go to attach DWG and pink hexagon is done. Polyline. Pink polyline. See, this is the pink polyline. Attach DWG. Rectangle. Then red heptagon. Open it. Red heptagon. Then attach DWG. Yellow spline. All the things will remain same. Okay. See, now you can show your client. You can show your client that this is the main drawing. This is the main drawing. Okay. And you can show your client like this. Suppose your client want the position of this circle to change. Suppose you want to change the position of this circle from here to here at the end point or somewhere here. So see, if you select this, if you select this, if you select this particular circle, it will show this option here, external reference. Go to open reference. If you go to open reference, your file will be open. Okay, and you can change the position, or you can change the anything. You can change the radius, whatever you want to do. Suppose I want to change the radius, so select it and scale it like this. Yes, like this. Okay, and don't forget to save it. You have to save. Don't save as, do only quick save. Okay, and again go to drawing 2. See, you will see that beside of that blue circle, a arrow is coming something, and here an xref was modified, it is showing. So right click onto this blue circle and reload it. Xref drawing has recently changed. Do you want to compare the difference? Yes. So this is the comparison showing. This is the comparison showing. Initially, the circle was like this, and finally the circle is like this. So that's the comparison showing. If you select yes, if you check it, then it will show the updated one. Okay, suppose I want to change the spline. Go to spline and open reference. So your spline will be open. Select this. Suppose I want to change the layer of it. So I change the layer. Select this and change the layer. Suppose I want to be red in color. Okay. Now don't forget to save it. Save it and go to drawing 2. Go to drawing 2. Okay. Once you go to drawing 2, you can see here in the yellow spline, this reload option will show. So right click and reload it. Now again it will ask the referenced drawing has recently changed. The reference drawing is changed. Do you want to compare the difference? Yes, I want to. Suppose if you press no, it will not compare. If you say yes, it will compare. Okay. So see, this is changed to red. So suppose you might be thinking in the main drawing only I can do this change. But as I said, you can open the main drawing. Go to open the main drawing. Yes, you can do the changes here itself, but sometimes your drawing becomes so heavy, the change becomes very tedious to do any sort of modification, because your drawing file is so heavy, it's very heavy, and you won't be able to do any changes because it is very heavy file, because of its very heavy file. And because of its heaviness, and your time will be consumed a lot, that's why it would be preferable if some heavy file is there, you can change it to x reference. This is small files, and you can call it by x reference like this. Like suppose, let me create some more thing. Go to Polyline, let me create some more things here like this, and save it. Saved it. Go to drawing, and from here go to Polyline, right click, reload. See, you will see the changes. Okay, so this is the change which I did. Where I did the change? In the Polyline file, and it is showing here. If you select that particular drawing, it will show like this. Let me change the position. Okay, go to this, open reference. Let us move this. Select it and move it. Okay, select it and move it. Save it. Don't forget to save it. Now go to drawing 2. Okay, now again it is showing. Do you want to reload? Yes. Right click and reload it. Okay. See, this is the change which has been done. It was initially here. Now the position has changed. So you must see what change I have done and what is the changing which will reflect here. That's why I am pressing yes every time after reloading. Okay. Now select this. We have one more option. Create clipping boundary. Once you select this, we have create clipping boundary. Select this and go to rectangle, or you can do anything. Let me go to rectangular first. This is the first corner, this is the second corner. So once you select that particular corner, you can see inside that rectangle only that part is being shown. So that's the clipping boundary. Understood? That's the clipping boundary. Only that part I want to show here. Okay, and if you press here invert X clip boundary, then you can see inversion will be showing. See, like this. You can, from here you can remove clipping like this. Okay, select this, create clipping boundary. Now select polyline, or you can create polygon as well. Suppose if I select polyline, you have to select a polyline. So for that you need to draw a polyline here. So draw a polyline, go to polyline. Suppose this polyline I have drawn here. Okay, select this, create clipping boundary, go to select polyline and select this particular polyline. So inside that polyline, whatever drawing is there, it will show. You can invert it from here as well. See, if you want this one, it will show only this one. You can change it from here as well. Suppose you want only this part. So only it will show that part only. Exactly. I hope this is clear. Select this, you can invert it as well. The other side it will show. So this is how it works. Okay. So remove clipping. Delete this. Now again select this particular reference. Go to create clipping boundary. You can use polygon as well. Okay. So create a polygon like this. Only I want this one. Once you have done, press enter. Only this part will be shown and you can see this arrow. If you press this, it will invert. Now remove clipping. You can remove it as well. Actually, why we are doing this? Why do we do this? Select this, start clipping. Let me go to polygon again. Okay, I want this part only. Enter. Suppose you want to show the dimensions of it. Okay, now from here you can scale it as well. Suppose you want to scale it, you can scale it. Select this, select the base point. See, you can scale it as well by how much you want. Suppose I want two times. So it will be scaled one. It will be scaled and you can show the dimensions here. You can write something, whatever you want, you can do here. Sometimes it is quite necessary. Very small drawings are there, very small drawings. And some part of that drawing, you want to clip it like this separately and you want to show the dimension because that part is so important. That's why you want to show that important dimension very. Suppose this pink and this green color is very important part and its dimension is also important. So you can show here the dimensions as well like this. Diameter, radius, whatever you want to show. So this becomes very important sometimes, this clipping. Okay, you can select this and you can remove clipping like this. I hope this is clear, very clear. Okay, as of now, just go to scale, select this, enter base point and put it as 0.5 so that it becomes its original shape. I hope this is clear. Okay, yes, that's it. So this is all about reference. Okay, you can add clipping, you can remove clipping, you can do whatever you want. So xref is used when you have very heavy drawing and you want to convert those heavy drawing into small drawings like this, whatever I have created, like this polyline, blue circle, green pentagon, pink hexagon, like that, small files. And then you can use xref to attach those drawings here, and whatever modification you will do in that particular files, that modifications will be reflected here. So that's the xref, which is very important in some point. Okay, yes. Now let's talk about our next command, that is OLE object. OLE, see, you have to go to insert and you have to go to OLE object. Okay, OLE object. What is OLE? It is nothing but your object linked embedded. Okay, object linked embedded. What is that? So go to OLE object. If you go to OLE object, your insert object command will get activated. So you have to, you must be in drafting an annotation, then go to insert, then OLE object. Once you select, it will show like this. You have two options, create new or create from file. Okay, so let me go to create from file first. Create from file, browse. Okay, browse, go to desktop. If you have any PDF, then you can select it. Suppose I have this PDF, drawing one model. Okay, so open it. Okay, now you can see that that particular PDF will show here. Suppose you want to show some image, you want to show some drawing, you want to show some PDF here, you can show it. You can increase the size or decrease the size. Okay, put the ortho of. Okay, you can move it, enter, select the base point, and you can move it as well like this. Go to OLE objects. Actually, it is sometimes it is very useful. Suppose create from file, you can select any file. It may be image, it may be Word file, it may be Excel file, whatever may be. Let me go to create new. If I go to create new, we have different options. Suppose I want to select Microsoft Excel worksheet. So go to Microsoft Excel worksheet and OK. So the Excel file will open. Now let me do name, field, place, like this. Whatever you do, save it. It will be showing here. You can see that Excel file is here. You can move it wherever you want. So that Excel file will be showing here. So this is how we can link the Excel file with your AutoCAD like this. Go to OLE object. Go to OLE object. Now we have again create new. See, if I go to Microsoft Word, okay, whatever you will type here, That will show here. Save it. See, it will show here. This is the Word file. So that's the beauty of OLE object. You can increase the size, you can decrease the size, whatever you want. You can move it. So that's the beauty of OLE object. I hope this is very much clear. Okay, you can insert any image as well. Okay, sometime, and suppose I want to insert some image, go to OLE object. Okay, let me create an image only. Wait a second. Go to OLE object, create from file, go to browse. Let me see any image is there or not. See, as of now, we don't have any image. Suppose I want this image. It's a screenshot. Okay. See, I have insert this particular image. Okay. I have insert this particular image. Now, what is the use of inserting this image? Now you can trace it. Go to SPL, enter. SPL. You can trace it. Like in Photoshop, you do tracing. See, you can trace it. You can trace it like this. Okay. So after tracing, you can remove it. See, I will explain how to trace any object. I will show you some examples also. Not an issue. By tracing, we can achieve lots of things. So this is how OLE object is useful. Yes. Now we have hyperlink. Hyperlink shortcut key is Control plus K. Go to hyperlink. Suppose if I create a circle here, okay, go to hyperlink. Go to hyperlink. Now it will ask select objects. Let me select this object. Enter. Now, suppose if I browse any file, go to file. Suppose if I select that particular, where is that PDF? Do we see any PDF? One second. Drawing one model. This PDF. Open. So that is selected. Okay. Now press Control and select this particular circle. That PDF file will be opened. If you directly press onto that circle, nothing will happen. Press Control and left click onto this circle, that particular PDF will get open. So that's the importance of hyperlink. If you go to properties, go to PR enter and select this circle, you can see that here the hyperlink, it will show drawing one model PDF. If you press Control and select onto this object, that particular PDF will get open. Let me create a rectangle. Okay, now go to hyperlink. Select object. Select this object. Enter. Go to file. Go to file. Suppose I want to attach this DWG file. Drawing one DWG file. Open. Okay. Now press Control and select this one. Once you select that, that particular drawing file will open. Okay, drawing one will open. So that's the beauty of this hyperlink. Press Control and select this. that particular drawing file will get open. I hope this is clear. If you select this, it will show which drawing file has been attached with this particular object. It is nothing but your hyperlink drawing1.dwg. Okay, so this is very useful again, hyperlink. Sometimes you can link any website as well. Suppose let me create a polygon, POL, enter. Number of sides 5. Okay, it's acting like a button. Actually, it's a button. See, control, press control button and left click. That drawing model will get open. PDF file. If you control it, press control and left click onto that particular rectangle, your DWG file will get open. So that's the work. It's acting like a button actually. Now let us create hyperlink onto this polygon. So go to hyperlink. You can press Control plus K as well. Control plus K. That's the shortcut key for hyperlink. And select this object. Enter. You can select any web page as well. Anything. Okay. So you can do that as well. So go to file. Go to web page. Okay. You can suppose if I go to any google.com, Control C from here and Control V means I am attaching www.google.com here. Okay. Press Control and left click onto that. Once you do that, your Google will get open. Your Google search will get open. So that's the beauty. That's the beauty of hyperlink. If you select this and see the properties here, you will see the hyperlink is www.google.com. So I hope this is very much clear. Now we will see a new, actually what can I say, drafting setting in the AutoCAD. Okay, so go to DS. Once you go to DS, you will see this drafting setting dialog box will open. You might have seen this dialog box. I used to open with OS enter as well. If you press OS, O snap, OS enter, that same dialog box will open, but this object snap will get activated. Drafting setting option only, that's inside the drafting setting only. So go to DS enter, this will get open. Here if you go snap and grid, okay, snap and grid, just go to this isometric snap. Where? Isometric snap. Inside the snap type, go to isometric snap. Okay, and then press OK. Once you go to isometric snap, you will see your whole drawing area has been changed, something like this. However, this option will not be useful that much, but in your engineering drawing, in your first year or maybe second year, you might have done some isometric drawings in your college level. So only that thing only we are going to see. Means we will have 2D space only. We will have 2D space only. In that 2D space, that is XY plane, I will try to make a isometric view. Means it will look like a 3D isometric view in the 2D space only. So that's our main motto. Means, see, this is the 2D wireframe, right? So using line command, circle command, ellipse command, with the help of those command only, I will create this particular drawing. Okay, so what I did, go to DS enter. Okay, and inside that snap and grid, and you have to go to snap type and isometric snap. Rest of the option I will explain separately in the drafting setting option. That I will explain. But as of now, go to snap type and then this isometric snap must be activated, and you will see this. Now go to line command, enter. Make sure your ortho is on, ortho mode is on. Okay, let us create this line. See, line, how much length? 30. In this direction, 30. So 30, enter. Now, in this direction, how much this is? Or rather, I will go this side, this 35, this side, but it is not going. Press F5. Press F5. When I was teaching you chapter 1 in that, I told you about function keys, and I told you that I will explain about F5 in this part only. Okay, so see, you can change it. So press F5 till you are not able to go in this direction. Now I can go in this direction. How much? 35. So go to 35, enter. Okay, now I want to go in this direction, vertical direction, above. Okay, this is 35. Oh, 35 plus this line also. How much this is? 35 plus 8. 35 plus 8. So go 8 more in this direction. Now I want to go above like this. How much distance? 66 minus 8, that is 58 in this direction above. So press F5. Press F5. See, isoplane right is activated now. So in this direction, how much? 58. Yes, like this. Now in this direction, how much? See, from here to here, this to this, how much? This is 40. 40 minus 8, 32. So in this direction, 32. Yes. Now above it, again 8. Okay. Now in this direction, how much I have to come in this direction? From this point to this point, how much? 40. So in this direction, 40. Enter. Now I want to go downward, downward, downward. How much? From here to here. Okay, it will be 58 only. See, this is 66. Total is 66 from here to here. 66 minus 8. So this is 58 only. So I'll go 58. 58, enter. Okay, now in this direction, how much I have to go? 35. So 35, enter. Okay, now I want to go in this particular direction, in this direction. This is this one, 30, 30. So how to go? Press F5 again, press F5. Now you can go there, dash direction, 30, enter. Now close it. Okay, exactly. We can draw one more side here as well, like this. So this is done and dusted. Now go to line command again, select this. In this direction, 30. Okay, now we have press F5. In this direction, 40. Yes. Now downward. How much? Press F5. Press F5. Downward direction, 58. Enter. Okay. Now in this direction, it is closed. Now, I want to go in this direction here, right here. So you can do one thing. Directly you can press it, click it, it will be snapped like that. Okay, also here. Now you are not able to come in this. So press F5 again. So see, this is done. It is in 2D space only, but it is looking like that. We have done isometric 3D. Okay, now I want to create this wedge. How to create this wedge? So see here, total is 30. 30 minus 6, 24. So from here to here, it is 12. So in this direction, how much? I want to start it like 12. Okay. Now above, it is 42. In this direction, how much? 6. Yes. Now downward, how much? 42. Yes. Now I want to come in this direction. How much? 23. So press F5 again. In this direction, how much? 23. Now in this direction, how much? 6. Like this. Select this and this. Select this and this point. So the wedge is created. Now you can see I have to create this particular circles right here, which is at 25 distance. Okay, and here we have one extra line that you can delete it. Okay, now from this midpoint, draw a line of 25 mm length. Okay, now go to ellipse, EL enter, go to ellipse. Once you go to ellipse, we have option called Isocircle. Go to Isocircle. This is the center of Isocircle. Okay, this is the center of Isocircle. What is the diameter? What is the diameter? 22. So go to diameter, press 22, enter. Now we have one more circle, 14 dia. So go to ellipse again, go to ellipse again, go to Isocircle. This is the center. Dia is 14. So go to diameter and 14, enter. Okay, now copy this, CO, enter. Select this and this, enter. Okay, this is the base circle. Okay, I want to go above. So press F5 again. It will allow you to go. Okay, go above. How much distance? 12. 12. Okay, now go to line command. Select this quadrant and this quadrant. Again, select this quadrant and this quadrant. And delete this. Now you will be able to see this particular thing. It is looking like 3D. Now if I go to shaded with edges, still it will not change. See, still it will not change. Go to 2D wireframe. So that I have drawn. That I have drawn using lines, ellipse, like that only, and ortho in the isometric mode. But it is looking like a 3D. So that's the thing of isometric. I hope this is clear.